In this video, we're going to be shooting out 8 of the most killer one-knob fuzz pedals on the market, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, Steve Reese here again from Does It Doom, the YouTube channel where we feature weekly guitar lessons and gear demos in the stoner, doom, sludge, and drone metal genres. So if that is your thing, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell for more weekly doom content. Welcome to the ultimate one knob fuzz shootout. I've been promising this one for a while now, and I've had a lot of requests to do it. So today I'm extremely excited to deliver on that promise. For this demo, I'm going to be using a Voodoo Labs Pedal Power 2+ isolated power supply underneath the board here. And then we've got everything laid out on top of a Does It Doom Doomboard in purple Tolex. So here today, we've got the Frost Giant Electronics pedal boards of Actual Doom 4 Horseman Massive, the Fuzzlord Effects Voidmaster, the Magic Pedals Dunwich Amps Cthulhu, the Stomp Underfoot Sonic Warfare, an Eruptor by Earthquaker Devices, the Destroyer by Black Arts Toneworks, the Ophidian by the Zero Fret, and a Gandalf by Black Hawk Amplification. The first 6 pedals here in the chain are variations of the classic fuzz-face-based colorsound one-knob fuzz, with these last 2 being an octave distortion and an octave fuzz. We're running everything into a 1969 Laney LBO 60-watt supergroup set clean. I've got links to check out all of the gear featured in this demo today down in the video description. In terms of controls, each of this bottom row of pedals has a single volume knob. The Eruptor here has a bias adjustment knob. The Destroyer here is actually 2 separate circuits. It's made up of the Black Arts Ritual Fuzz, which is a single knob fuzz here, engaged by this stomp. And then you've got it paired with their Oath, which is more of a distortion, a big volume boost, a lot of gain and saturation. And so you can either run them together with the Ritual driving the Oath, or run each of them independently. The Ophidian is an octave distortion. The Gandalf is an octave fuzz, both of which feature single volume knob controls. Make sure to leave a comment below this video sharing your thoughts on which pedal you thought sounded best, which one you've got to add to your arsenal after watching this demo. In this video, I'm going to be using riffs from Sleep's Holy Mountain. I've got a link down in the description if you want to check out the entire lesson here on YouTube and to download the tabs for that and every other lesson featured here on the channel, along with a ton of other exclusive content and private Facebook group and Discord server access. You can check out patreon.com/doesitdoom. I've got a link directly below this video if you want to have a look around. I hope you enjoyed that shootout. If you did, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and share the video on all of your social media. I want to go ahead and send out a big thank you to everyone who supports the channel over on Patreon, with a very special thanks to all of our Riff Lord tier producers for more content just like this. You could click that YouTube card, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you could click the round subscribe icon. So until next time, always remember, Tony Iommi is your friend.